Hey everyone, welcome. You're watching Chai with Chaitanya. This is a place where we talk about books, movies, and fandom. And here we are with my very amazing friend Shruti Dev, who, as you can see, is kind of doing something very interesting with books, which I'm not sure exactly what. Shruti, what exactly are we doing today?
We're trying to make a book tower because we're incredibly dumb and have a lot of free time on our hands.
And the last time we met was also something to do with books because we met at the Delhi Literary Meet where we met lots of amazing authors. COVID-19 happened and everything went for a toss. So here we are, she's back here, it's raining outside and we were pretty bored. She wanted to watch Knives Out, which I said is a very difficult movie to watch right now considering how much I talk and how much she also talks.
And also because he's tasteless, so he doesn't let me watch.
Just to clarify, I have already watched Knives Out when it released in the theaters. Shruti is currently getting all the books that she can to.
While
make this-
Chaitanya is
oh my
not
God.
helping.
It's falling. Everything is falling. What are you doing? Are we making Christmas tree out of this?
So we're trying to do like a hardcover base first, so that it
Right.
doesn't fall off like our first attempt.
We were playing Zynga with books,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
currently my room is in a mess and Shruti, as you can see, she's super excited to get the book and there she's reaching out.
Wow, I refuse to be publicly associated with you.
This is going to, if this video does not get, if my vlog does not get at least 2k views, I won't make any more videos
My
after
mom
this.
will sit and watch it 2,000 times.
This is definitely going in. So auntie, big cheers to you. We love how you support us. Actually, I love how you support me and
Yeah,
not
I was
Shruti.
just gonna say us who?
She wants me to take out 4 more hardcovers, which is kind of insane job right now because there's literally so many books here in my room that I am struggling. And here are the pretty hardcovers that we are gonna use. These are all Twilights. So we'll just see Shruti's reaction to this because these are all graphic exclusive editions.
How much money on a pile of crap?
Twilight has shaped our generation. You can't deny it.
It has shaped our generation to have a sense of humor. That's the impact it has quite unintentionally had. I need one more.
So I don't have one more Twilight. but,
I don't need Twilight, just anything more.
I see a thread and a needle which unfortunately I did not like. I DNF'd it, guys. If anybody has read this book and has an opinion, do let me know what you guys think about it. It would be amazing. And Shruti is now holding They Both Die at the End, which I've just asked her to read. But I've also told her that History is All That You Left Me is a better book. It makes you cry. Has a lot of Harry Potter references. We still haven't really figured out where we stand on the debate.
Yeah.
So we don't support J.K. Rowling on her transphobic comments, but whether or not we will continue to support Harry Potter is still a big question.
See, that's what shaped our generation. Harry Potter shaped our generation. Twilight, though.
So I'm actually going to play Lazy Lamhe, which I thought is Desi Lamhe for some reason. And according to Shruti, what do you think about that song?
Trash.
Why is everything trash to you, Shruti? How can it be?
I'm a snob. I don't know if you can tell.
Well, anyway, we'll go ahead and still, play the song.
I'm sure you've heard how Grammarly
Well,
improves
not really
your writing,
this.
but let me...
Not this, but we're talking about, well, yes, GoDaddy.
You might not know what SSL is.
No, we
but
don't know.
hackers do.
And we don't care. You guys can be the best judge if this song is good or not, but I really love it. Shruti doesn't. And I think that Saif Ali Khan looks really hot here in this song, in this particular song. It's the apt song to dance. Shruti, and you dance show us some moves.
I refuse. Like I said, I don't even want to be publicly associated with you at this point.
What are you keeping this? This will stand with all of this. Are you like
Where
what?
is the rest? You don't run out of books.
It's here. Shruti can't even see. Oh my god, the cold drink fell. Can you see? Oh my god. What is it? What is the ring light doing over there, Shruti? What is this behavior?
No work you are doing. I'm telling you that side you're building, okay? This one I'm doing.
But this is my building. Udhar I'm not gonna stay there. Look at this. This is what I was talking about. Okay, Saif Ali Khan. I hope they don't like cancel my video because I'm showing such stuff. Look at Saif Ali Khan right now. I'm not sure right now. Right now she's fidget hurting. So this is our tower and this is how it looks. If you spot your favorite book, then you know what you have to do. Just comment which one is your favorite from here. And then Shruti decided that if we keep building 2 towers, it will fall. Actually, I decided that. And then she said that it won't follow the laws of physics and which is why it's falling. So we'll see if this falls or doesn't fall. If it falls, it's this
You
woman's
would just go.
problem.
Oh, you would just go.
Okay, I was about to fall, guys. I'm so sorry. Yeah, so yeah, physics is just a bitch. It's always been a bitch to me. And
Oh, you got so many Olympic kids, dude. We can
yeah,
just
so
stack
this
these.
is how it's looking. I mean, I'm not sure if you guys can see the height of this. And I'm sorry for having so many butterflies in my room, but then that's just how
My nickname is
it
Kitty,
was.
so-
So yeah, so this is all Shruti's doing. We were like really good
Oh.
friends in school.
Yeah,
So she went
So
through
he
that.
just put it on his wall for me.
Yeah, because you don't know, I was secretly in love with you, in the awe of you.
Oh, yeah,
I was so
yeah,
mesmerized
sure.
by you.
100%.
Even though she used to always, like keep correcting my grammar on public posts. And so what you're seeing right now is the Leaning Tower of books.
Finally, dude. So many squats I've had to do for this. We should
do-
find like a nice topper, bro, which would go.
What do you want to keep?
Oh, Jhumpa Lahiri. I see Jhumpa Lahiri.
I can't
Oh my
believe.
god, you also have Mahabharata Unraveled.
Why is that a book that you were looking for?
What? Yeah, I was.
I got this as a review copy from Bloomsbury, so thank you Bloomsbury India for sending across that copy to me.
I love reading different versions of the Mahabharata.
Oh, that is why I
Because
got.
I
That
think
is
it's
why
the
I'm
world's
getting
greatest
you.
story ever told. It has everything in it.
Yeah, that's true. I love Karna's character.
All characters, dude, there's just so much depth, and I don't think there's any relation that goes.
I don't know.
unexplored.
I don't know if you've read the one that I loved personally.
Mhm.
It's called Mrityunjay, The Death Conquerors.
Okay, I haven't. What I do is
Why
every
have you
year I try
not,
to
like-
pick up. I've read like multiple versions.
multiple,
I haven't
huh.
read this one.
So this is completely from Karna's perspective,
Oh, okay.
and it was actually written in Marathi by Shivaji Sawant, and then it got translated, or maybe Shivaji Sawant is the translator. But oh my god, this is it.
It is
This
done.
is it. Oh my god, this is so big that it's not coming in the camera, but it's like really big.
Camera घुमा दो.
Oh, but then फिर वो YouTube पे problem होगा ना, so I can't believe I'm exposing my entire butterfly wall to the world because that has never been done before. I've been very careful.
Taller than me.
Yeah, so this is what we wanted to do. Like we wanted to create like a book cover recreation.
Which is taller.
Yeah, which is taller than.
Come, I want to see how much taller are you from this, and can we make this taller than you as well?
Oh. Mrs. Shruti has promised me that she won't step out of my house before she helps me pack all of these books up and send it back to my bookshelf, which is right here, which is kind of in a mess right now. So now that the star is almost on the ready, so and the song kind of finished, which was Lazy Lamhe and not Desi Lamhe. So we were deciding what to watch, and then of course Shruti right here, she was my co-writer. She was with me, the co-writer of this film that we did together, which is called Ankahi. If you haven't watched, that's also on my YouTube channel, so do go ahead. Like, not the movie, but the trailer. And of course, in that film, I have a classmate from Amity School of Communications called Mahika Singh, and she's an amazing singer. So we thought we'll go to Mahika's channel and show you, and let Shruti hear her songs, because she still hasn't subscribed to Mahika yet, even though.
Wow.
Even though here is Mahika singing Dark Love, which is of course her favorite artist.
काड़ियाँ गर्दियाँ काड़े रूट ने काड़ी जिंदगी काड़े सूट ने डार्क लाइफ मशहूर सी जड़ी तेरे सोए सोए रंग
like she's stunning and sings fucking so well.
Can you like look at the camera and give some good compliments?
रुक जाओ ना यार, ये बन जाने दो. She's done.
This is like probably the biggest. Oh my god, she's actually legit taller than you.
Yeah, I'm putting this on my resume. This is more important than law school at this point.
Imagine Shruti defiling the laws of physics.
Yeah, dude.
Dude, Amitabh sir would be so proud of us today. So guys, now that the tower has been built, we are now going to pose. Why are you laughing?
I am content.
Okay, yeah. So now we're going to pose and look, this is definitely taller than Shruti. So we're
Which
gonna
is really not
pose.
setting the bar very high.
Yeah, but still, yeah, okay, okay. So we are now going to go and do some photo shoots, which we'll, share with you once we are done. We just left, and now I have to get back with my sister to quickly put all the books that we used in today's photo shoot back in their places in the bookshelf. So that's going to be an insane task, but we have to do it anyway. So right now we are going to do that, and it's a wrap for the video. I'll leave all the photos that we took today, including the bloopers, after this. So hope you enjoyed this vlog. It was super random. We did not even plan this. It just happened on the way. We did not even plan to make the tower, but yeah, so that happened. So I hope you all enjoyed, and hit subscribe if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, and keep coming back. Bye.